Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Lenny here from lennysnetmarket.com, and today I'm going to be talking about how to start an online automated business from scratch. That's right, I'm going to show you how to make money in your sleep. So if you're watching this video and you've been trying to figure out how to start an autopilot business, how to leave your 9-to-5 job, or just how to create some additional passive income to where you can help support your family, maybe go on a vacation and do some things that have always traditionally been outside of your budget, you are in the right place. So stay tuned to the end of this video, and I'm going to show you step by step everything you need to know to build an automated online business. All right. Before we jump into the meat and the potatoes of this video, if you could please subscribe. Go to my channel, subscribe, click the bell so you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Like, comment, share. All those things, guys, all those things, when you do that, it shows me that you value my content. It motivates me to continue to provide more content, and it makes me want to help out more. Excuse me. All right, so moving on. If you stick with me through this video, I've got a very special gift for you. It kind of takes what you're going to learn in this video to the next level. It is a guide. All right, it is an ebook. It's a guide. It's going to show you. Excuse me. It's going to show you step by step the same thing that I'm teaching here, but it's going to take it to the next level. All right, so stick with me through this video, and you'll be able to access your gift. And I'll also provide you a way to where you can set up one of these automated online systems in 3 days. You're going to have a 6-figure funnel. You're going to have proven to convert email swipes that you can use, etc., etc. You'll all be able to check that out from the ebook and the offer that comes after that. Okay, so I really like quotes. This one is from Warren Buffett. I think he was worth, the last time I checked, it said he's worth $1.13 billion. He says, if you don't find a way to make money in your sleep, you will work until you die. That is a very powerful quote that scared me the first time I read it. And I will ensure that I will not be one of these people working until I die. Okay. And I hope after watching this video, you take action, implement what I'm teaching you, and hopefully you won't be either. All right. So why an automated system? Why should you build an online autopilot automated system business? Why should you do that? All right. I think it's self-explanatory. It just makes sense. Right now, if you're working a 9-to-5, you're only as good as your last time you clock in. You only get a paycheck when you clock in. If you're going door to door doing sales, you only get paid when you make a commission. Same thing if you're on the phone every day doing cold calls. You have to work to get that next paycheck. Now, when you have an automated system in place, the benefit of that is you can make money while you sleep, because you've set this thing up in a way to where you're constantly emailing and promoting people that are on your email list, and they're going to constantly pay you for a lifetime if they know you, they like you, and they trust you. All right. So if you haven't figured it out yet, I'm going to talk about building this automated system from an affiliate marketing perspective, because I'm an affiliate marketer. But rest assured, what I'm teaching you, excuse me, what I'm teaching you, you can apply this same concept to any other niche. It doesn't have to be in the make money online niche. You don't have to be an affiliate marketer. You could be a hairdresser. You could be a locksmith or a plumber. You just have to follow the steps that I'm teaching you and apply it to your particular niche. So from an affiliate marketing perspective, the benefit of being an affiliate marketer and applying this system to affiliate marketing, number one, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest, I won't say easiest, but it's one of the best ways to make money online, because you can do it as long as you have internet connection. You can do it from anywhere in the world. An internet connection and a proper system, you can get paid and work a few hours a week. Like you see some of these guys online traveling and spending time with their family, and you're always trying to figure it out. It's because they have an automated online system in place. So with affiliate marketing, you don't need your own products. You don't need your own services. All you have to do is find a high converting product or service to promote, get an affiliate link, set up this system, and then send traffic to the system. But we're going to talk about this in more detail, so just stick with me. All right. So moving on to the next slide. For those of you that may not be familiar with what affiliate marketing is, this is one of the most basic definitions that I could find. And I don't want to spend too much time on it, because I will put out more videos on this that go into more detail. But in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is the process of earning commission by promoting other people or companies' products. You find a product that you like, you promote it to others, and you earn a piece of the profit that you make on each sale. All right, now there are other programs to where you don't even have to make a sale. Maybe it's a lead. You can generate a lead. That's called CPA, cost per action. There's kind of a lot of levels to affiliate marketing. But just stick with me, because now we're going to talk about how to build this automated funnel, all right? This automated online system. Now, there are 3 main steps to making this happen. Step number 1, you have to find a product to promote. And now these are the 3 niches that I recommend: health, wealth, or love. The reason that these are the 3 recommended niches is because they are what we call evergreen. They're going to always be around. People are going to always have health problems. They're going to always be looking to do something related to health: lose weight, get on a diet, find a better way to cook. Excuse me. Wealth. Everybody's always trying to figure out how to get to the next level, how to make more money, how to set their family up for long-term wealth. So that's why wealth is on there. And then love. As long as people are alive, they're going to be in relationships. They're going to have makeups. They're going to have breakups. They're going to need advice and techniques on how to find a partner. So these are the top niches that you want to look into. In terms of finding offers, you can go to Amazon. You can go to a site called olddigger.com. You can just search the web. Just type in your keyword, weight loss affiliate programs, in Google, and you're going to find programs that you can promote. All right. So moving on. Step number 2. This is a graphic of what an automated system looks like. All right. But look, let me tell you. So most new affiliates, what they do, they'll have traffic. So they'll go, do some Facebook ads or a solo ad or something, and they'll send traffic directly to a product or offer. So they go on ClickBank, they find an offer to promote, and then they start sending traffic directly to that page. They might spend a couple $100s, they may get 1 or 2 sales, and then they say, hey, I spent $300. Only 2 people bought this ClickBank product, so I made $57, and so I lost money. Affiliate marketing sucks. This is a waste of my time. I lost money. All right. And the problem with that is when you're sending traffic directly to a main offer, you're only relying on people to see your offer and buy the first time. So what if I'm driving when I saw your offer? Or what if my kid just hurt his leg and now I got to take him to the emergency room? I could have intended to buy, but I got busy, and whatever reason I didn't buy. So I go away from the page. You've lost me forever, never to see that offer again, potentially. Now, the system is set up in a way, when you do this properly, instead of sending someone directly to the product that you're promoting, you send them to what's called an opt-in page. All right. So on this page, you're going to ask the person for their name and their email in exchange for something. So you're incentivizing that person to give you their name and their email. A lot of times it's really just you're focused on getting their email address. And the way you do that is by offering them something of value in exchange for their email address. So for example, if I'm promoting an affiliate marketing product, you may land on my opt-in page to where I'm promoting a offer on ClickBank that shows you how to make affiliate sales on social media. All right. So my opt-in page has to be congruent with whatever that I'm offering. So on my opt-in page, I may say something like, let me show you how to get how I got 1,000 subscribers through Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram in less than 10 days. That might be what my opt-in page says. Now, your opt-in page should be something truthful that you can actually offer in terms of a gift. But let's say I'll put a strategy together on how to get X amount of subscribers. I'll put it in an ebook, and that's what you get when you opt into my list. All right. So you come to my page, you're like, oh, that's pretty cool. Lenny got 1,000 subscribers from these social media platforms. All right, let me check out and see what Lenny did. So when you give me your email, I'm going to send you to a bridge page. You may have never met me before, or I may be a brand new affiliate marketer. I want to make a connection with my face. I want you to know who I am. So you kind of remember me when I start sending you emails. All right. This is a part of building that know, like, and trust factor. So now you've given me your email in hopes of getting an ebook from me to learn how to do social media marketing, how I got a certain amount of subscribers in a short period of time. My bridge page, you see my face. Hey guys, Lenny here. You just opted in to get my ebook about how I got 1,000 social media followers in a short period of time. Thank you. The ebook is on the way to your inbox right now. On the next page, I'm going to show you how to get even more subscribers, or you're going to promote a course or something. This is your main offer. So now I've got your email address. You've seen my face, so we made some type of connection with each other. And now I'm sending you to the main product or the offer. Now that's going to increase my conversion rates. You're going to be more likely to buy here. But if you don't, no worries at all, because now you're in my email database, and I've got emails that are pre-written. They're already scheduled to where I'm going to send these to you over a series of, let's say, a week or 5 days, every other day. And I'm going to be promoting this offer to you again. So you saw it one time, you liked it, but you weren't ready to buy. Maybe you hadn't gotten paid yet. Maybe you didn't have the time to buy it. Maybe you were driving when you saw the offer. This email is the first one that's going to give you the ebook that I promise you. So you always deliver whatever you promise in that first email. And then these emails are going to be promoting this main offer over and over again. Now you got to realize people don't always open their email right away. So let's say you open the subscriber opened the email to get the ebook because that's what they were really signing up for, and they missed this email. They didn't even see it. It went to their spam box, or they just didn't open it. But they did see this email, and they're like, okay, wow, I forgot about this product. Yeah, that was good stuff. And then later that night, they check it out and they buy. Or maybe the next day they get another reminder about it and then they go buy. Okay, so essentially you're going to get people in your funnel. This is called a sales funnel. First, you collect the email. You build some type of know, like, and trust factor, putting your face in front of the camera. If you don't want to do that, but it's just more information before you send them directly to the main offer. You can use this bridge page if you don't want to put your face on camera. Just tell them what they're going to see in this main offer, okay? And then, again, you're going to follow up with a series of emails that are all automated through your email provider, system provider, and they're going to send these emails. You're going to set these up, and they're going to send on autopilot, all right? So step 3, the only thing that was missing from what we just talked about were the traffic sources. These are all called traffic. Now, this is the lifeblood of your business. All right, this is how you get those commissions while you sleep. You have to automate this traffic. So you can do paid advertisements. You can do free, like you can do YouTube videos like the one you're watching right now. You can go on TikTok and make videos. You're using social media and different paid platforms to drive traffic to your opt-in page. And the more people you drive through this opt-in page, the more people you send to the bridge page, and finally to the main offer, the more sales that you're going to make. This is where the money comes in, where you're making this money overnight, okay? And then the follow-up series is where the cash flows in. A lot of people aren't going to buy the first time they see this offer, but as you send them more and more emails and you add value through your emails, so maybe I'll promote this to you, this product here 3 more times, and then maybe my 5th email is a free video on maybe a free coupon on how to get the discount skis, or how to get a discount on a social media package where somebody builds out the platforms for you. So I'm continuing to add value to you in these emails. All right. So this doesn't stop. This continues on and on and on and on and on. And not only can I promote the first product that I started promoting to you, I can promote other related products to social media. If you gave me your email because you were initially looking for something related to social media, I know you have an interest in social media. Now think about how many social media related courses, software, tools there are that I can promote. So that's why I have to continue adding value, adding more emails to where I'm adding value to you. So I'm not just, spamming you to death with promotions, but I'm also thinking of helpful ways to help you increase your social media following, giving you tools that can automate how you post on your social media networks. All those things are going to be built into your email series. Now, I have a question for you. What if I could show you how to take this, what I'm going to call a basic online automated system, and 10x it? What if I could show you how to take that basic concept of automation and 10x the process to where you're making 10 times what I'm showing you in this basic funnel? Now, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I don't have time to do it in this video because this video is already getting longer than what I want to do, but I want to show you how you can learn how to 10x this process. All right. And when you learn how to do it, again, this is, I've been doing affiliate marketing for quite some time. It took me a while. I'm not going to lie to you. It took me a while to just get this system down. I'd seen it on different marketers and all this kind of stuff, but I really didn't start making tons of commissions until I learned how to increase that basic model into the 10x model. All right. So these are just a few snapshots from affiliate promotions. These are mainly affiliate marketing products from Warrior Plus and JVZoo. And you can just see just the commissions. Once you get this process down, commissions start rolling, and you can literally print money to where you send an email and you're going to have days where you make $400 or $1,000 or more. It's going to get normal to you. At first, it's going to be like, wow, it's going to be scary to you, but before you know it, you're going to be making hundreds of dollars a day, and it's going to be easy as waking up, typing up an email, or you're going to be making money from the emails you already have in place, because these are emails that are going to be pre-written. Okay, But you can also be able to do what's called broadcast, to where you can write up an email that's outside of these pre-written emails, send it to your list of subscribers, and then you're going to have people that buy the products that you're promoting that are outside of the ones that you've already pre-written into your sales funnel. All right, so lastly, I did promise you a gift. This is a special gift from a marketing buddy of mine. His name is Jonathan Montoya. He takes what I just taught in this video, right? He takes it to the next level, all right? So he's going to give you all the steps that you need to become a super affiliate. It's going to take everything you just learned in this system, right? It's going to tell you everything you need to know to take this to the next level. And as you can see right now, if you're working a 9-to-5 and you hate your job, this is the guy that can help you walk away from your 9-to-5. I'm going to be here to help you as well. But his course and the way he's putting this training together, he helps you easily digest the information. It doesn't matter if you're brand new. He's had over 10,000 students that have gone, that have gotten this ebook and then signed up for a 3-day challenge that you're going to hear about shortly, to where you can essentially grab his 6-figure affiliate funnel. You're going to be able to grab the emails, the professionally written, copywritten emails that are associated with that funnel. You're going to be able to copy that funnel for yourself, make whatever edits you want to make to it. And then the last part of that is just driving traffic, okay? So the last part of that is just the traffic piece. And guess what? He's going to teach you how to drive the traffic as well. The thing that I like most about Jonathan Montoya is he's practicing what he's preaching. The guy is showing you, he's going to show you live examples of everything he teaches you in traffic. He's doing it on a daily basis. He's got students that are brand new that jump into this thing, follow the instructions, and they end up making thousands of dollars a month and end up being able to quit their 9-to-5 if they so choose. All right. So I hope this video was valuable to you. I hope now you have a better understanding of how to build an automated online business. Again, if you are looking to get away from the rat race, or you're just looking to generate some extra income, and you want to take the family on a vacation, you want to spend some time with the girlfriend or the wife and do things that you haven't been able to do. Maybe you've been impacted by the pandemic, or you have a stay-at-home position and you're just trying to get to that next level. Guys, I want you to take advantage of what I'm providing to you today. All right, so in the description of this video, just find the link that says 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate. I want you to click that link. Give me your name and email. That's going to put you on my email list. Now, I've been doing this for a while. I'm going to be able to help you along the way. All right, so check out the ebook, go through that. Make sure you look at everything that Jonathan's teaching there. Check out the 3-day challenge. And again, reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. And I love seeing people succeed. All right, have a great day. And please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, give this video a like, comment below if you have any questions. And then please share this video everywhere so other business owners or potential business owners get value out of it as well. All right, this is Lenny Rao again from lennysnetmarket.com signing out. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.